Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday where I explain a feature of Plan to Eat or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm really excited to share with you that we have launched a new feature. It is automated nutritional calculation in the recipes within Plan to Eat. So I'm here on the website version of Plan to Eat so that I can show you how this works in today's video. So basically all you have to do is import a recipe, and if there's not already nutritional information included in that recipe, you can automatically calculate it now in Plan to Eat. So I have this really yummy honey mustard salmon recipe that I just imported, and when I open the recipe, I can scroll down to the bottom and see that there are no nutrition facts here. But all I have to do is click on the Calculate Nutrition Facts button, and it is going to automatically calculate the nutrition facts for me for this recipe based on a per serving amount. So I can also click on each one of these individual items here, and it's going to show me the different ingredients that are contributing to that nutrition fact. If there happens to be a nutrition fact that you think is maybe incorrect, it looks a little too high or a little too low, we have the option here for flagging this ingredient's nutrition facts, and then one of us from the Plan to Eat team will be reviewing these, and we can update the nutritional data that's associated with this ingredient so that it populates correctly within your recipe. The option for flagging the ingredients is currently only available on the website version of Plan to Eat, but calculating nutritional data is available on both the Plan to Eat app and website. All right, so that's how you calculate nutritional data in a recipe within Plan to Eat. I'm going to link to the help articles for both the website and the app in the description of this video, and we hope that you get to try out this feature and start using it to calculate the nutrition facts for your recipes. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.